Namaste students. We are learning block 12 coastal plains and islands. So far we have learnt about how is the life in the coastal plains and what are the coastal plains, what are the features of coastal plains we have learnt, what are the states in the coastal plains we have learnt. Today we are learning the last topic in this lesson, that is how is the life in the islands. In the previous class we learnt about the islands, okay, the Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. So today we are going to read a story to know the lifestyle of the people in the islands. Okay, all of you open your textbook to page number 75. Here is the story, living on an island, right? Living on an island. Adila lives in one of islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, there are many islands in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So Adila is living in one of the islands. Her father is a farmer. What work does Adila's father do? Okay, Adila's father is a farmer. The people living there also catch fish. When did we learn that people are fishermen? We learned that the people in the coast who live in the coast are fishermen. But here the people who live in the island also, they catch fish and sea animals. All of you know what fish are. Sea animals are the starfish or squids, lobsters, crabs, prawns. Okay, all this come under sea animals for food. Okay. So Adila lives in one of the islands in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Her father is a farmer. The people living there also catch fish and sea animals for food, besides collecting fruits and honey from the forest. Okay, what is the main occupation of the people in the islands? Okay, especially in Andaman Nicobar Islands, people catch fish and sea animals for food. Okay, they catch fish and sea animals. They also collect fruits and nuts. Okay, fruits and honey, not nuts. Okay, fruits and honey from the forest. They speak the Andamanese language. What is their language? What is the language that they speak? They speak Andamanese language. Okay, remember students? Okay, Adila lives in one of the islands of Andaman Nicobar Islands. Her father is a farmer and he catches fish. They catch fish, sea animals for food. They also collect fruits and honey from the forest. They speak the Andamanese language, right? Let's read the next paragraph. Adila lives in a wooden house. Okay, this is all about her house. You have to remember how is her house. Okay, Adila lives in a wooden house with a thatched roof. Wooden house means the house whose walls are made with wood. Okay, and with a thatched roof means the roof is covered with big leaves like palm leaves or dried leaves. Okay, thatched roof. Okay, Adila lives in a wooden house with a thatched roof. She helped her parents to build this house by collecting wood, leaves and grass. So with all this material, her wooden house is made. Okay, wooden house with a thatched roof. So wood, leaves and grass are used to make this house. Okay, they needed to build it. The climate of their island is hot and humid. Okay, same like the coast, no? The climate of their island is hot and humid. Hot means you all know. Humid means the kind of climate which causes sweating to the people. Okay, humid. The air contains lot of moisture. Such kind of climate is called as humid. Okay, next. Adila loves the wind coming from the sea and loves her airy house. Adila likes the air which comes from the sea. Okay, when the sea waves are coming towards her house, so she finds the air. Okay, she likes her house which is airy. Okay, well ventilated. Her mother makes beautiful necklaces using seashells. Okay, I'll show you what are seashells, how they make it necklaces with seashells. Okay, small shells they'll collect and they'll just make a necklace of it, right students? So read this story twice. So if you read it, and you should also read the paragraphs which are about the two groups of islands. One is Lakshadweep Island and other one is Andaman Nicobar Island. If you read, you can answer the questions which are at the back of the lesson, and you can also answer the questions which are in worksheet S4 page number 23. Right students? Now I'll show you some necklaces using seashells. Okay, some necklaces which are made by seashells, right? Here you can see the necklace which is made by seashells. Have a closer look. These are seashells. Okay, very interesting, right? So this is how they make. Okay, the people in islands, they make necklaces with seashells. Here we have, right? See, different colors, gray, white, black. Some are even pink here, green. All of them look so good, right? So these are the necklaces which are made by seashells, right? So this is the story about Adila. Look at this girl. Who is this girl? This girl is Adila. Adila lives in one of the islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, this pretty little girl, her name is Adila. She lives in one of the islands in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So let us know more about her. Adila's father is a farmer. Okay, Adila's father is a farmer. And what does Adila eat? Adila eats rice and fish. Okay, like same as the coastal plains, right? Rice and fish. And the house in which Adila lives is made up of wood. Okay, wooden house and thatched roof, right? Wooden house and thatched roof. And this wooden house keeps them cool in the hot climate. Okay, and see, hot and humid climate. This is thatched roof which is made up of wood, leaves and grass, right? So this is about Adila, and you are also going to read the whole lesson, students, so that in the next test also you can do well. You should understand the life in Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep. Do read the lesson very well and underline important words. Right students? Complete the worksheet S4 in the workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.